Hi friends, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. This video particularly for Karnataka state. There is a very important website which is Seva Sindhu. I think many of you are already aware of this. Through Seva Sindhu portal only, Karnataka government is now taking all the applications for all kind of certificates, either it's a caste certificate, residence certificate, domicile certificate, also raising with different kinds of passes, and everything is now through Seva Sindhu portal except real estate related. So this Seva Sindhu portal has a registration portal. I will show you in this video how to get it registered through Seva Sindhu portal. It's very simple. The next video will be residence as well as domicile certificate through Seva Sindhu. So this video will help you to create an account in Seva Sindhu if you are not having it. So let us see quickly how is the process online for 2021. So let me start with, you can open any of your Google search either from mobile or PC, laptop, anything, and search for Seva Sindhu, and after that scroll down and just open this link, preferably say serviceonline.gov.in. not open the Seva Sindhu website, but the latest one is serviceonline.gov.in. don't forget this. And now you can see here, once you log in, you have forgot password, new user registration, and we are going to new user registration because this is about a new user registration. So first you have to enter your Aadhaar number here. So this is the change for latest. Okay, previously it was directly using mobile. Just keep typing Aadhaar number here in this text video, I mean the shown in the text column. Keep typing, don't worry about spacing and other things. Automatically it places into next tab once you type it in. So you can see here sample I have entered and it has correctly come here. You are not seeing all the text here, but don't worry, it is already in place. Okay, so what you have to remember is the words. Don't worry about the words here. Okay, this you will not see all the 4 characters, but it is there. Just click on the next. So after entering the Aadhaar, you can see here OTP comes to your mobile, which is linked with Aadhaar. So it's very important that you have an Aadhaar and it is linked with your mobile. So I received the OTP in my mobile which was linked with Aadhaar, and I enter the OTP and click on the continue button here. Okay, so now you can see here there is nothing else is needed. By default it will ask for your permission to link all the documents with Seva Sindhu. You can click on the allow button here. Okay, just click on allow. So we are directly entered to the Seva Sindhu portal. As you can see here, you got a mail also because I had linked my email ID. Now you are entering your email ID and mobile number here, and after that enter the password. Make sure password is 8 to 15 character, including special character A, B, C, D, capital, small letter, everything. Okay, after entering the password, this is online one time entering the password, and enter the captcha and click on the submit button here. There will be a verification OTP again now coming to your mobile number. This is the second time, as you can see here. Okay, so the verification service plus link will come, as you can see here. See, I received a link. I can click on the link and activate it, or I can note down the number I received through email, as well as both you will receive through email as well as you receive through SMS. Now you click on OK button here. Okay, there was a message saying that it is sent. You are supposed to enter both. You can see here email ID OTP also is important, and mobile number OTP also important. Without that you are not going to get validated. So I entered the email OTP here, and also I entered the mobile OTP. If the screen is timed out, you can click on the link you received in the email. So now I click on submit, and you can see here you have successfully registered in Seva Sindhu portal, service online portal of Karnataka. So this is how the registration is being made now. Now let us see how to log in. So you can see here, please log into the application using your mobile number and password. So mobile number is your username. Please remember that, don't forget. I'm going back to the service online website here. Now what is the process? You can see here, even though you have a password and stuff, I'm going to register through OTP method. Enter the mobile number which you have already entered and click on get OTP. You will receive an OTP. Enter the OTP and CAPTCHA and click on the submit button. You are logged in. So remember the points, a mobile number, your password, and after registration you can directly, what you can do is just log in using the OTP method. So you are into Seva Sindhu portal already. So there is a left button, 3 icon button here. You can click there, and when you click on the left 3 icon button, you can go to options. Okay, what are the options? Quickly let us discuss. This is the place you are going to apply for services. This is the place where you are going to view your status of the application. So we will see what are the list of available services quickly. I'm not going to cover any service here, but I will just quickly show you how to avail different services. Next video we will take up the services one by one, important things. And as you can see here, you can select Karnataka. Only Karnataka is available. See, the lot of services are offered through Service Online Seva Sindhu website. And now what you can do here is, for example, I wanted a domicile certificate. Just click on search domicile in the search page, and you can see here apply for domicile certificate has come up. So like this, if you type residence certificate, it will come up. So it's very quick and easy method, and this website is very handy. In another video I am going to show you how to make residence and service certificates, residence as well as domicile certificates. We had already published a video, but this is the latest method. Old video might not apply as of now. This is the 2021 method. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give us a like if you like the video. Keep tuned. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, friends.